hope you're having a good day today. For some time now, I've been having some trouble with the project I've been doing, or several projects I've been doing, where I wanted to convert a laptop completely over to a Raspberry Pi or any of the equivalents. And one of the big stumbling blocks I've run into is the keyboards. This flat flex cable here, I guess, has these connectors on here. You can get converter boards for the styles that have 1mm pitch or half millimeter pitch. Neither one of these will work. This is basically about a 0.7mm pitch. To show you what I'm talking about, this is out of a standard keyboard. So this is your USB adapter, comes out of a standard keyboard, and this is where the membrane here connects to this, and you've got your chip here, and it converts everything over to USB, and you can use it. Well, I believe this is a 1mm pitch, and as you can see, big difference here. This might actually be a little bit bigger than 1mm, but anyway, I've taken apart many different keyboards, standard, small, Bluetooth, whatnot, and still have yet to find anything even remotely like this. But I came across something, and I thought I'll shoot this video, and we find out together if maybe this might be the solution. This is a little tablet keyboard. It has a USB port, or USB cable, and it's a very small form factor. And there's a good possibility the connector and stuff in here might be small enough that it'll match up to a laptop. So let's see. Of course, I went down to Good Bites, picked this up for $3. So it's actually not too bad of a little keyboard, but I'm not a big fan of these on a tablet. So let's see. Looks like it's stitched up. Yeah, it looks like they just sewed it all together. Maybe a little bit of glue. Yep. Alright, let's get the stitches out first. You can hear the fireworks in the background. Looks like I busted a couple keys off. Alright, let's see what we've got inside of here. And whoa, how about that? I think we found us a winner here. Yeah. You know what? I think that's it. Not quite. And it's hard to tell. Let me grab a different keyboard and check, but man, that is awfully close. Let me grab some real quick. Grab this one and these. This one's actually going to be going thrown in the trash. That one's one I was just experimenting with. This one looks like yeah, this pin spacing is the exact same. I'll be dang. So this is a compact keyboard out of a compact. And as far as keys, function, control, so these two are backwards here. some of the button layouts are a little different. So there are some differences here, but I'm sure that's something that could be set up. Well, it does set up inside the, in the operating system or something. Let's see what we got. We got a print screen. I don't know what you think. Print screen here. Number lock. Have no idea where the hell these things are supposed to go. Don't really care. Well, that's just kind of exciting. So there we go. I've been looking for something like this, but looks like it has the 0.7 pitch spacing. It has a nice little FPP or FFC or FF. What do you call that? FFC, yeah, FFC connector here, and even has where you can solder to the pinouts if necessary. Nice little blob chip for conversion, all the way to USB. So, hey, there we go. I'm going to give this a try and see how it works. Matter of fact, I'm going to see if I can't find a keyboard here. I've got several here to choose from. I'm going to find one, and we'll just see if it actually works. Be right back. Okay, gave this thing a try. It does work. It actually does. It will send signals through this. I did have to replace the USB cable. It was the one that was on here was, as you can see, little tiny things, and it was as brittle could be. But anyway, the actual board worked really well. The only problem is this blob down here is pretty much just for that. The little bitty tiny keyboard. It doesn't seem to want to work with these very well. So what I plan on doing is, you'll notice, let me take this off real quick, make it easier to talk. See how these have test pins all the way through here? Each one of these are broken out except for these two on the very end right here, which I'm not 100% sure what's up with those, but I think if I need to, I can get onto that. But the way these are, they don't even go all the way over. They only go part of the way. So this end part's, for this particular thing, I'm not going to use it. I mainly need the socket. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this board right along the edge here. Cut this completely off. There's nothing on this side. So what I'll probably end up doing is gluing this to another board to make it solid, and then I'm going to put an Arduino. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these, map these to an Arduino. I believe I may have to do a little bit swapping and whatnot, but the idea is to use an Arduino to interpret the signals from this one, and then send them the correct signals to this one mapped out correctly. We'll see how that works. I don't know. I know these pads up here, they're not the easiest to solder to, but they can be done. They're just a lot bigger than these guys are. Plus, this one, it should work. If not, I'll try another route. But this is my idea right here. I'm going to give it a try. I'll give you guys an update whenever I find out something for sure. But these little boards like this with these odd pin pitch for the keyboards on laptops and stuff, the stuff out of the little tablets, they seem to be it. They seem to do the trick. So hope you guys found this useful. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Let me know why. Please subscribe to my channel. And as always, see you guys next time. Take care.